The input-output transfer function of the plant 100 upon S multiplied by S plus 10 whole square. The plant is placed in unity negative feedback configuration as shown in figure 1.6. The signal flow graph that does not model the plant transfer function. So if you find the transfer function for each figure, it takes long time. Then by looking at the figure, we will check one block diagram and 4 signal flow graphs are given. Which is signal flow graph does not belongs to this, we have to find. So we have to find 5 transfer function. One for this, another 4 transfer function for this, which is not matching this, we have to find. That's why it will be time consuming. To avoid time, let us compare these figures first. If we compare, there are 2 loops. The second also 2 loops. The third also 2 loops. And fourth one only 1 loop. That's why A, B, C may be correct. Let us check D. Whose transfer? What is the transfer function? So transfer function T of S equal to forward path transfer function. That is 100 divided by S cube divided by loop transfer function. 1 minus 100 divided by S square. So if you simplify this, what you will get? 100 S divided by S cube whole divided by 1 S square plus 100 divided by S square. So one S is getting cancelled. Therefore, 100 upon S cube plus 100 S. This is the transfer function we got for the D. So what is the transfer function for this? Here, the transfer function, closed loop transfer function is Y of S upon R of S equal to 100 divided by S square plus 20S whole divided by 1 plus 100 divided by S square plus 20S multiplied by 1, unity feedback. So multiplied by 1 by S. This 1 by S is there. That's why 1 by S is the numerator. Therefore, this S square plus 2 is getting cancelled. Therefore, 100 multiplied by 1 by S divided by that S comes here. So this 1 becomes S square plus 20S plus 100 plus 100. That's all. So S square plus 20 is getting cancelled. Therefore, 100 divided by S cube plus 20S square plus 100S. But these two are not equal. Therefore, D is the answer.